Hi everyone, welcome to our wellness video. For today, I would like to share with you about supplements. I always often ask about should we really take supplements even though we're having a healthy lifestyle? The question is, what do you mean by healthy? First of all, most of us are nutrient deficiency even though we are eating healthy. One of the factor is because our nutrition which we get from the food we eat, especially from the plants, the tendency is the plants get the nutrition from the soil. Now, as the generation passes, we keep using the soil and we deplete the nutrients and minerals from the soil. So from the quality of the soil years ago compared to the quality of the soil, what we're using right now is totally depleted. So even though we are eating healthy, what kind of plant-based or any kind of nutritious food, it's not as healthy as we think. So what I'm trying to say here is most of us, even though healthy people, are nutrient deficient. So where is the supplements are going into this picture? First of all, supplement will not make us healthy. Supplement is not a medicine as well. First of all, we need to consider if we really need to take supplement is if we are nutrient deficient, if we are having poor absorption, because even though if we are eating healthy but we're not properly absorbing the nutrients, then we might need supplements. If we our diet or we keep eating mostly processed food which lacks vegetables, fruits, fiber, then we are losing minerals and nutrients. If you have gone to a restrictive diet such as low carb, keto, paleo, because all of the foods are giving us the nutrients the body needs. If you were or if you are drinking too much alcohol, it depletes the nutrition in your body. If you are pregnant or thinking to be pregnant, then you really need to take supplements. But first thing that we need to know, what supplement should I take? There's a lot of supplements out there in the market which give us all the hype, boost your immune system, build muscles, gives abs, gives more energy. But what are the truth behind these supplements? I have nothing against all the pharmaceutical who sell all of these supplements, may it be weight loss supplements or just to boost your immune system. We really need to know that they are not all what they claim they are. Supplements is just an addition if we are deficient. They will not treat any kind of disease and they will not really improve immune system as we think, because immune system is such a complicated issue. It's not just taking a tablet and you think you're healthy. It doesn't work that way. Immune system is a balance of hormones, your organs, mind, body. It's a complicated system which it's like an orchestra that are working all at the same time to perform its in high quality. So a supplement will not make all of this work all together. It takes lifestyle change for your immune system to boost. So when you think of taking supplements, there are some cautions to consider, such as like false assurance. They cannot really give you this boost of energy in one tablet. First of all, is you really need to know what kind of supplements you need. You're not just going to take any kind of supplements that you've seen in the market that promise good performance or ability, because all of our bodies are different. And also, first of all, is you should have a blood test or talk to your nutritional practitioner what supplements do you need, because you should know what you should supplement with your body, what you're deficient first before you can give it, because we are we are concerned about the toxicity. There are some water soluble vitamins and minerals, if taken in excess dosage, we can excrete it in our urine. But fat soluble vitamins and mineral supplements, that's very dangerous, because those those excess dosage can go to our fat stores, because they are all fat soluble, so all of the excess will go to the fat stores and will be toxic to our body. So instead of having benefits, it's harming our body. And lastly, not all of the supplements have this quality that what we think, because some of them have other ingredients at cellulose, vegetable, very kind of ingredients that can add up to the toxicity, and it's very synthetic. And also be careful when you take your supplements. Be sure that it is recommended by your doctor or practitioner, health practitioner, and also always think to improve your lifestyle, improve your eating habits, eat healthy food, and don't take supplements to be healthy. Change your lifestyle and also know what nutrients you need, and you can take the supplement that is only needed by your body. So I hope, friends, that will be helpful for you today. I'm sending you all the peace, love, happiness, and always stay healthy, people. Bye, everyone.